Hello and welcome to the demonstration of our Capstone project, which is User Lifecycle Management Agent or ULMA. User Lifecycle Management or ULM is a critical process. It handles the core requirements needed for employees so that they can engage efficiently in business operations. This can be tasks like onboarding, offboarding, and resource provisioning. Why ULM is hard? Modern businesses manage thousands of users and complex infrastructure. And manually doing this work can incur delays, human error, and compliance risks. For example, 78% of organizations have reported identity-related incidents costing more than 4 million on losses. How agents can solve this? Agents can convert natural language instructions using natural language-based interfaces to structured workflows that can be used to automate ULM tasks. This automation can reduce human error, and with modern technologies, it is easily scalable, and more importantly, it can reduce the skill gap needed for ULM. This is the overview of our architecture. We have a multi-agent system. The front agent deals with the user, and it understands the user requests, and the supervisor manages multiple sub-agents for different tasks. For example, the policy agent reads and understands policy requirements for a particular request. We built Ulma with Google ADK and models from Vertex AI. We use 5 agents powered by Gemini models, and we use a real Microsoft Entra ID to show how the real operations of our demonstration. And we use a local database to keep records of users, local records of users, and to keep persistent memories of sessions. We built a new server to connect with the Entra ID using fast MCP, and we use login plugin and text-based team simulation for observability. Finally, we use A2A protocol to show how our agent can connect to a remote agent to carry out ULM tasks. Now let's go to a brief demonstration. Here you can see that we have successfully onboarded a new user named Kaggle demo in our Entra ID, which can be seen in the actual instance of our Entra ID. After that, we request the agent to remove the user from the system, and this invokes a human approval process. So this is simulated using text files, which a higher authority must approve if the user is to be deleted actually. But here in this case, we have not approved the request, so the agent terminates the request. And as you can see, this is the fast MCP based server that we use for connecting to the Entra ID, and we use A2A protocol to connect to a remote agent running on localhost, which you don't show here. You can see a full demonstration in this given link. Thanks for your attention and have a good day.